Hi students, this is Mrs. Marinelli with Electronic Calculating Business 268, and this video is working on lesson 22, which is marked down. It's similar to what we worked on in lesson 21, so I think you will find this easy. We start on page 144 and 145. So markdown is the deduction, a sale. So if I am a business owner and I have merchandise that's been sitting in my store for quite some time and I want to get rid of it to make room for new merchandise, then I will put it on sale. If I am Kohl's and we are getting ready for winter merchandise, then I will put my summer merchandise on sale to try to get that out of the store, make some money on it instead of having to pack it away and try to sell it next year. So a markdown is a deduction, a sale. Sometimes grocery stores will mark their turkeys way down at Thanksgiving time or give them away free. Why do they do that? How can they do that? Because if people come in for their free turkey, they will buy their other cooking groceries that aren't on sale or maybe on sale but enough to make up for giving away the turkey. So it's to draw the customers in. So markdown is a deduction from the regular selling price, and they are figured as a percentage of the regular price. So if I have my regular price times my markdown rate is going to give me my dollar markdown. Regular price times my markdown rate will give me my dollar markdown. So regular price, how much am I going to mark it down? And then the regular price minus the dollar markdown gives you your new reduced price. So this is thinking in the same terms as what we did in the last chapter. And if you look on page 145, part A, the regular price is $262.95. So that's the base. The markdown rate is 20%, 0.2 if you want to convert it to a decimal. So when we multiply the base times the rate, we're going to get the dollar amount of the markdown. Okay, so we will take our $262.95. Whoops. Let me move this over. Okay, so the $262.95 is the regular price times the markdown rate. I'm going to use 20p, so the markdown is 52.59. That's a negative number on your answer strip because you're subtracting that. So when I hit minus, just like we did in the last chapter, it will subtract from the 262.95. So my price is $210.36. So I'm taking a reduction of $52.59 and selling it for $210.36. So that's the easiest way to do it. The long way would be to take it times your 20.2, and then you'd have to put that answer into memory, and it's just harder that way. It's easier to use this specialty of the 10-key calculator. So you found the markdown, dollar amount, and the reduced rate or the new price of that item. On page 146, you're doing the same thing. So you have a sweater that regularly sells for $24, and it's going to be marked down 25%. All of these are going to be 25% on this section. So regular price times the markdown rate gives you the dollar markdown. And then regular price minus markdown is going to give you the new price, the new selling price. Okay, so we'll take our $24 sweater times 25p. So it's going to be marked down $6, and you're going to sell it for $18. So the same as what you did on the previous page. And part C on page 147 is basically the same thing. Again, it's just a review, and you can skip part D and the rest of this chapter. Nope, that's it, just part D. We're going to skip part D. Okay, that one was easy. Woohoo! Use your Judy's 10 key packet and the book. You could rewatch this again, and we are making progress. Is that our last chapter? That might be our last chapter. Woohoo! Take care, everybody.